On the COVID-19 pandemic tops national news again tonight. Thankfully, no COVID variants have been found in the country. Health officials analyzing recent positive COVID-19 cases throughout the country, with the highest concern generated on Keys off the Abaco mainland. Jimmy Swain has more details on the Ministry of Health's press conference today.
The latest figures from the Ministry of Health's COVID dashboard show COVID-19 positive cases continuing to increase. Health Minister Ranwood Wells reporting 26 newly confirmed infections, pushing the national total now to 9,296. He also outlined conditions of patients detained in public health facilities.
Currently, there are 9 moderately ill COVID-19 patients hospitalized in the Grand Bahama healthcare system. There are no patients currently in intensive care in Grand Bahama. Here in New Providence, there are 14 hospitalized COVID-19 patients at Doctors Hospital. 11 are moderately ill, and 3 are currently in the intensive care unit. There are 2 moderately ill COVID-19 patients being treated at the South Beach Acute Care and Referral Center.
Princess Margaret Hospital has 7 moderately ill COVID-19 patients. Wells says there are no patients in ICU at this time. As for other findings,
there are 240 active cases of COVID-19 in country. 82 persons have been recently classified as recovered from COVID-19. This brings the total number of recoveries to some 8,811 for a recovery rate of 94.8%. Fortunately, there was no deaths confirmed yesterday. The total number of confirmed COVID-19 deaths now stands at 189. 17 deaths remain under investigation.
Health officials noted a marked increase of COVID cases on the islands of New Providence with 6,489 cases, Grand Bahama with 1,490, Abaco with 320, and Eleuthera with 201 positive COVID cases. Minister Wells confirmed that an assessment team was dispatched to the island of Eleuthera. Meantime, Dr. Jillian Bartlett on emerging concerns for the island of Abaco.
We had 6 cases in Guanakee as a result of a construction company there, SMG. So we are watching those cases. Those persons would have traveled into New Providence and subsequently been tested here. So just recently, we have seen some cases in South Abaco as well as a case in Morris Island as a result of the movement. And hence, that's why we keep saying about the public health measures, because as you move, then you transmit the virus.
She also noted COVID testing concerns there as well.
Is what's going on in Green Turtle Key with an increase in the rapid antigen testing. These would be persons who would come in, travel, and on the 5th day be tested by the rapid antigen test. And these tests are coming back positive. And subsequently, their contacts are being quarantined, and we continue, of course, to monitor them and the situation as we speak. So
the health minister also confirming that to date, more than 10,000 persons have been vaccinated, and there are no known coronavirus variants as confirmed by 28 of the 52 samples tested. Additionally, 10 samples collected in March were sent off this week to the Caribbean Public Health Agency for genomic sequencing. Jimmy Swain, ZNS Network News.